Right guys, just arrived this beautiful Eiger Grey 2023 registration with only 2,000 miles on D300 SE. With the shadow exterior pack on, the LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. You've then got things like the 360-degree camera system, front rear parking sensors and headlight washers. This car also has the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, and if you have watched my videos recently, you'll know that you can't actually physically order an SE with 23-inch wheels anymore. They've stopped that. So this will be one of the last ones to have them wheels on the SE. You have to order an autobiography or a first edition to get them wheels. The exterior shadow pack continues on the side Atlas, contrasting black roof. You've got 4-wheel steering, soft closed doors, the electric deployable door handles, and then this has the beautiful Ebony Windsor Leather interior with that dark brown walnut veneer interior inlays, ambient lighting, touchscreen media system which is 13.1 inch in size, DAB digital radio, sliding panoramic roof which is an extra, Meridian sound system, electric memory and heated seats both for driver and passenger. In the back you have tons of space. You've got a bit of ambient lighting, the rear seats do recline, a third zone climate control, and this car has also got the fully fitted mats. It's 102,000 miles, so the condition is exactly as you'd expect it. It's immaculate inside and out. In the back you've got a huge boot space. Seats go down 40-40-20. You've got a signature tailgate with a split tailgate, which means it can take a weight, so again it's ideal and use this as an umbrella. This car has an optional extra, which is electric deployable tow bar. So you press the button, the tow bar comes out electronically. Once you finish using it, press the button again and it'll fold away. You've got the beautiful LED strip lighting at the bottom. No dents nor scratches anywhere to be seen. And as for the driver, well, it doesn't get any better. Electric windows and mirrors on the door card there. Full multifunctional steering wheel, starting off with a heated steering wheel there. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist and steering assist. Bluetooth, stereo controls, and Bluetooth and radio controls just there. Paddle shift, full TFT digital dashboard, 14-inch in size. Put it into reverse and your reversing camera kicks in with a full 3D surround, and you can look at different angles, not an issue. This lovely veneer finish, slide this one forwards, wireless charging pad, more cubbyhole space, 2 keys and twin cup holders just there. This really is a fantastic car in the right colour combination with the extras like the deployable tow bar, the sliding panoramic roof and that interior inlay. And let's not forget the 23-inch wheels and the shadow exterior pack. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.